Well, here. The wrong end. Here. I'm gonna help you? Look. Oh, wrong end again. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Here, want some more? Want some more? Here, take your spoon. Here, no. There's nothing left on it. Here, put it in here. Oh. I think you're missing the concept. Oh, you are so taking it back. Are you kidding me, Nikhil? This is what happens.
Oh.
Are you all done? You all done? Done? Yucky. Yucky. Well, I guess you're gonna wait on learning how to eat with a spoon for a while.